We need an upgrade in tunnelling skills for some of those who are not yet trained in all aspects of tunnelling. And we're seeking to combine practice and theory here in an ideal way and in a safe environment. The training to become a tunnel construction technician is carried out in cooperation with the BFI Styria, the Austrian Tunnelling Association and Montan-Universität Leoben with Zentrum and Berg. ZAB. One of the focal points is working with shotcrete, in this case with dry shotcrete. Its areas of application are above-ground construction sites where the surface is sealed and reinforced with shotcrete. Having a laboratory on site, the quality of the shotcrete can be tested. Shotcrete as a product changes over time. The chemicals are updated and remixed, and of course, the shotcrete then behaves a bit differently on application. I have to learn that. Using VR goggles initially looks like video gaming, but in virtual reality, the work on modern equipment is honed to perfection. On the real machine outside, you can quickly destroy something, and then there's enormous damage. Whereas, here in the lecture room, the computer screams right away if you do something wrong. At the end of the day, of course, it's a great advantage for the construction companies, as they have well-trained personnel who can get started right away with a very large amount of knowledge. Some levels below the ZAB, a skip and a loader, are used to practice the so-called loading cycle. The basic idea is that at ZAB we're able to practice the loading procedure in an open space, having the width of a road tunnel or that of a rail tunnel. As soon as this works outside the tunnel, we start the same training in the tunnel. And for the inexperienced or complete newcomers, this is of course somewhat different from having to start working with tunnel walls to the left and right. So they can slowly get accustomed to the width conditions underground. Albeit, working with the wider road tunnel is easier than with the narrower rail tunnel. Training is necessary.
Mit der Erklärung von der ganzen Techniker.
The mining colleagues also give you tips, and that way you learn how to do it ever better over time.
Wenn man es eigentlich richtig macht.
It's like any profession. Without skilled technicians, we engineers can plan whatever we want, but we also have to construct it. That's why we need the entire chain. We need apprentices, we need skilled technicians and engineers. Only then will our economy really prosper.